Now many people ask what type of food we should eat, especially the gym goers. This is a very difficult and topic to cover in a short time. What I want to suggest you is that you have to have a balanced diet. Now there are a lot of myths about the diet. People think who comes to gym wants to build their muscles should take only high protein diet. In fact, I suggest you don't go for a high protein diet, because in high protein diet or exclusive protein diet in long term is very dangerous to the body, because it can affect the kidneys, it can affect the heart, because the bad cholesterol keeps going up. It can affect the liver. Especially if you have some disease already, you should take a balanced diet. Otherwise also high protein diet in long term can also affect the bone density of the body. Therefore, it is always good for us to have a balanced diet. The other thing is that we have food phobia, like we want to take some food fats are there, like we want to go for only that one specific diet. We want to have only low protein diet, high protein diet. We don't want to have carb, we don't want to have fat. It is not like that. Our body composition is in such a way that we require all three: carbohydrate, protein and fat. According to the US information from the American Heart Association, our requirement is about 50 grams of American adults require 50 gram protein per day. Suppose if you want to use 2000 calories of calories per day is your requirement for an adult male, out of which some 30% can come from protein. Therefore, your protein should be the part of the diet rather than exclusive diet, number one. Number two is, what about the carbohydrate? The carbohydrate, it is better to take a complex carbohydrate rather than simple carbohydrate. So that will also, because whatever food we take, there will be a hike in the glucose level. So it is called glycemic index. So it represents the increase of sugar level in the blood. However, if you have a low glycemic index food, it takes more time to increase. But if you have a simple sugar like a sweet or a white sugar, what happens is your sugar level goes up immediately and also comes down immediately, causing a craving for sugar. That is called, it's a perpetual sugar craving which occurs a perpetual cycle. That is not good for your body in long term. What I suggest is that you can use most of the balanced diet every day, and you can have one, for example, rarely you can have a cheating day. On that day you can take some simple sugars like sweet. It is not a problem. But however, most of the days you have to have a balanced diet. In this balanced diet, when we come to workout for gym, what is the best thing to eat? Should we eat and come? No, as such, you can have a black coffee, which is very good for you. Along with that, I take one black coffee and one banana. Banana is an excellent fruit for gym goers. Why it is so? Because it gives an instantaneous energy, and also it is simple, carryable, easy to eat, easy to digest. At the same time, it has got a lot of potassium. So potassium is required for your muscle recovery after the. So you can have a banana before and you can have a banana after that. Then other thing about the protein. So if you want to take a protein shake or whatever after the exercise workout, it is good because it is helpful for your repair of the muscles which are affected during the exercise. We should not follow some diets which are not suitable for our body. Taking for example the Mediterranean diet, the Japanese diet. These diets are not suitable for us. We are in a tropical country, they are in a Mediterranean zone. So it is different. Therefore, we should not try to follow them like that. Now, what is the best for our day-to-day Indian diet? The 10 items which I like to highlight is, number one is roti, then a small cup of brown rice, then you can have yogurt, then you can have paneer, then egg white, skinless poultry. So these are all some of the items which are very helpful for our day-to-day, and also dal. So 10 items are there which can be normally combined with our day-to-day Indian balanced diet. Apart from this diet, we should add fresh vegetables and the fruit. Among the fruit which I already told about banana, there are 3 more fruits I like to highlight. Second fruit which I want to highlight is pineapple. Pineapple is very good because it is considered as an anti-inflammatory fruit. It has got a bromelain enzyme which is anti-inflammatory. It causes less infection in the body, improves your immunity in the body. And also it is also having a lot of water content. Therefore, pineapple, apart from vitamin C and others, it is a very good fruit. Banana, pineapple. The third one which I always highlight is avocado. Avocado it's the only fruit which has got highest protein. It has a half avocado will have 2 gram protein. It's among the fruits, it is highest. So it is also not only the protein, it has also contains a lot of minerals, vitamins, which is very helpful for us day to day. The fourth fruit which I recommend is the watermelon, which is also very good in vitamin C as well as the water content. So we should have fruits every day. We should have nuts every day, especially the almond has got a lot of proteins. So this is about the diet. Now, other thing which I like to highlight is you have come to gym to lose weight. Please don't blame the gym for not losing the weight, because 80% of diet makes the difference for losing the weight. So 20 to 30% is the exercise which you do, which will help for the losing weight or making yourself body very energetic. Therefore, diet plays a major role, and we have to have a balanced diet for a good health.